This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Roberta Carras. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle in this maintenance-free villa that lives like a single-family home. You will appreciate this spacious, 3-bedroom, 2-bath villa with an open floor plan. Combination dining room, formal living room. The eat-in kitchen overlooks the family room for easy entertaining. The open family room is complete with vaulted ceilings and a beautiful skylight that allows plenty of natural light. The living area has direct access to the lanai and master bedroom, which is split from other bedrooms. This spacious master bedroom and bathroom have a walk-in closet and 2 sliding glass doors to both the beautiful lanai. Sliding doors pocket back to reveal a screened and enclosed lanai, which is air-conditioned, to provide a Florida room for year-round living. Good separation between the master and guest bedrooms. Master bath has a granite countertop. Tubular skylights in kitchen and living area. Roll-down hurricane shutters for lanai and master bedroom. A private screen courtyard off the bedrooms and 2-car garage complete this comfortable residence. Large second bedroom and third bedroom can be your den office. Just a short walk to the community pool. This desirable, maintenance-free, Center Gate 55+ community is well located for easy access to shopping, restaurants, and I-75. A short drive to local beaches and downtown Sarasota for dining and activities. This home just needs your personal touch. The space and location are superb. For more information, review the details below or contact Roberta Carras at 941-993-5088.